at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1968 Chevrolet Camaro. Z28 Tribute, as far as the badging on it, not representing this as a true Z28, but done up as a Tribute. Underneath hood, 350 V8. That is paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission, also AC. AC does blow cold. Kind of a vintage AC system that is set up on it. Take a look at the grille, front bumper, cowl hood, hugger orange in color with a white stripe. Stripe is painted on. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, you can see the underside, interior, engine bay. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can always call us 507-386-1726. Riding on a chrome rally style wheel. Chevy center caps, beauty rings. Black vinyl interior. Buckets, of course, up front. Center console does have an Alpine aftermarket stereo system in there that is working. We'll check out the interior and the driver's side here shortly. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And once again, if you want to see the still pictures for the underside, interior, engine bay, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. Go ahead and take a look down the driver's side here. Don't really notice a lot of nicks, dings, scratches. As far as the paint, it's got a nice luster to it. There is a little bit of overspray here and there, a little bit of the deck striping. It's one of those, be a nice one for any of your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, or shows. Alright, as far as interior, I did try the windshield wipers, work fine. Radio does work. Again, AC blows cold. Vintage AC system set up on it. Door panels. The vinyl seats appear to be free of rips, tears, holes. Take a look at the headliner. Go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. A little bit of a cam to it, nothing too crazy. There you can see the radio does work. There are amps in the trunk, you'll notice in the still pictures. Center gauge cluster. Take a peek at the dash. Make sure we're in neutral, let this warm up just a tad. Nice little throaty idle to it. We'll slip up to the front. Let me pause this a second, get the hood open, check out that engine bay, and wrap this video up.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And here's the engine bay again, cowl induction hood. Edelbrock carb, Edelbrock Reformer RPM intake, headers. A little chrome dress up with the valve covers and air cylinder cover. There's your AC compressor. Nice smooth running, good sounding. 350, again that is paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission. Nothing over the top of the can, just nice little rumble. There you go, looking for a Gen 1 Chevrolet Camaro. Here it is, 1968. Chevrolet Camaro Z28 Tribute. give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.